What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone is doing fine. I'm trying to essentially make a voiceover on this video today. It's a record of it, the trade that I have done this morning on the NQ micro. So essentially, what I was looking there, I was looking to that order block on the 1 minute, as I highlighted on the chart, and what took my interest there on that position essentially is that the price tried to to go down, but the essentially the candle never closed below that order block. So at this point, really, what I wanted to see is the candle spiking up and closing finally above this order block. So kind of give me signal that the price was respecting this order block. At this point, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so and give me a like to support the channel. Thank you. So once the candle closed above that order block, I was getting ready to enter this trade. I was hoping really to have a little more of a spike down at that point, even though I think I was requesting too much from the price action there. So um, I would have definitely been more proactive at this point and handle the trade in this position. So I did hesitate a bit there, but I recalculated my risk, and then of course I did enter the trade. I did set the initial target to those equalize over there on the 1 minute as a first take profit, first partial, which as you can see was quickly taken out, and I really liked at this point the displacement that I was having on that. Also added at this point my stop, and I did place my next two take profits. retrospective would have added to this trade on the pullback on that breaker block, and at this point moving the stop loss and break even. Second profit target was reached, and then placing last my last profit target. I was really looking on that imbalance on the 15 minutes. And the first I did set the target on that high, but then decided that the other eye was quite close. So at that point, I was expecting that if we would have taken that high where I have the last take profit now, the price would have spiked on the other eye essentially. So at some point, I did move the last take profit on the other one. In retrospective, there are definitely things that I could have done in different way on this trade, uh, such as enter a bit earlier, probably add on that pullback on the proper breaker block, and then really targeting the high on the 15 minutes at that point. In any case, I'm not gonna complain about this trade. I am up 1.5 hour on it, so was a successful day, successful trade. If you guys like the content of this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you to the next video. Thank you.